Ethermine is one of the most popular Ethereum mining pools, offering an excellent platform for miners worldwide. It provides a highly efficient, user-friendly interface and reliable performance, making it ideal for beginners and seasoned miners alike. Upon navigating to the Ethermine website, users are greeted with a clean dashboard displaying key information such as hash rates, pinning payouts, and detailed statistics on your mining activities. The platform ensures transparency with its real-time updates and an intuitive layout that simplifies the management of mining operations. Once logged in, you can set up your mining process easily. Ethermine supports multiple payout thresholds, giving you flexibility over when and how your Ethereum earnings are distributed. The platform boasts an impressive payout system with a low threshold, allowing users to withdraw as little as 0.005 ETH. It is compatible with popular mining software like Phoenix Miner and Miner, making integration seamless for most setups. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Ethermine's unique feature is its fee structure. With a competitive fee of only 1%, users can optimize their returns without sacrificing performance. The pool also provides a dedicated mobile application for tracking stats on the go. This feature is especially handy for those managing multiple rigs or who want to keep tabs on their mining performance away from their computers. Security is another strong point. Ethermine employs advanced protocols to ensure the safety of your data and transactions. Additionally, their 24/7 customer support guarantees assistance whenever you need it. This makes Ethermine a trusted choice in the mining community. For users looking to scale operations, Ethermine supports additional mining pools for other cryptocurrencies, like Cash and Ravencoin, making it a versatile choice for multi-coin miners. Remember to explore these options if you plan to diversify your mining endeavors. The combination of user-friendly tools, transparency, and robust security measures solidifies Ethermine's position as a top-tier mining pool. If you're looking to maximize your mining efficiency and take advantage of a reliable payout system, Ethermine is a standout option. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more crypto insights and tutorials. Hit the like button if you found this helpful.